welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my wash day routine step by step. As you can see, my hair is already damp. This is because I've already pre-pooed my hair with my Olaplex No. 3 and it's been about 10 minutes. I will start by rinsing my hair with lukewarm water, or warm water, and then I'll start with a shampooing. Today is a strengthening focused wash day because my products contain a little bit of moisture and protein. This shampoo from Asayam, Long Luxe Strengthening Shampoo. The shampoo smells amazing. I'm going to emulsify it in my palms before I apply it on my scalp. Make sure you focus on your scalp when washing your hair. That is where the dirt and the buildups are. And also make sure you are going in one direction to avoid tangles. Okay? So I usually do 2 shampoos. So I'm going to rinse this one out quickly and then go in with a second shampooing. I was actually very impressed with the first shampoo. I wasn't expecting it to lather as much as it did. Yes, it did. It lathered so well. So I'm going to go in with a second wash, also focusing on my scalp and making sure I'm going in one direction. Make sure you are always rinsing out your products properly or very well to avoid any buildups or itching. Okay. Yes. So once I'm done with the shampooing, the next thing will be my conditioner. So I'm going to blot out a little water so that the product doesn't get diluted, and this helps it to work much better. Okay, so I part my hair into 2 sections and I go in with the conditioner. Just look at the slip. This is one of the reasons why I am so keen on conditioning. Okay, I don't skip it for any reason. It makes detangling so easily. Look at the slip. So I'll do the same for the other section, and then I will leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse it out. So right after rinsing it out, I wrap my hair in a microfiber towel to remove excess water, and I go on to deep conditioning. So today I'm using the Anti-Jackie's Intensive Repair Treatment mixed with a little bit of Castor Oil for extra nourishment. Okay, so I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. This is just to help me, coat every strand of my hair with a product from root to tip. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cup and sit under my steaming cup for 20 minutes. I love to use my deep conditioning with heat. The heat helps it to penetrate much better. So it's been 20 minutes and my hair is feeling so soft and looking shiny. This is what I'm talking about. So I quickly rinsed it off. I did that off camera. I'm looking tired already. Yes, so look at how the comb glides through my hair. My hair is feeling so soft. Yeah, it might look like I'm not being gentle because the video is on speed, but I'm being extra gentle with my hair. Alright, so on this wash day, I was going to do air drying. When I'm air drying, I usually go in with a more creamier but lightweight leave-in so that my hair doesn't feel too dry after the air drying process. Yes. Today I'm not in the best of mood. I would have showed the process of how I air dry my hair, but I'll do a separate video on that. Yes. So I'm using the anti-Jackie's leave-in, and I will seal with my oil, and that will be it. Nothing much. That is all for the wash day. So I'm done with the air drying. My hair is 99% dried. Yes, I didn't use any heat today. I couldn't have because I am not, or I haven't been in my best of mood today. But we have to do what we have to do. It's a wash day, and so I'm going to moisturize and seal it. As usual, I have a video of how I do it, so yeah, you can check it out. I usually use bigger flexi rods just to get some body and some curls, but I want a smaller curls this time around, so I'm going to use this small flexi rods, and that will be it. That's the wash day. Yes, so I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.